take you off and show you off like you was a boss. Then I come in looking at you like I come in wanna cross, wanna toss up everything when I go in so insane. And I'm looking at you minute and I'm into one in the brain. And I wanna go all in, but I keep my composure and then I go and dig in. And I am a chauffeur in your ride, and I go and take you out for a glide, and we surfing on the tides. Complexions, no stressing, contemplating the message of the presence, the present day and time. I want to present your grind and make you go out and shine, epitomize of your line and see you up to potential and come up in your mental. And do you know no subliminals coming in like a criminal? Oh, I get it though, and then I get my dough. I stay up on the low and make this money so for sure. And I got the Taurus and everybody glorious. I'm looking at it, little baby, and coming back in a horror. And I swear I'm a boss in every sense, but I always keep my mind so bent to humility, cause I see the future that I see, and I wanna grab it hold and keep it capture and leave it. I would never let nobody take from me what I see and what God has blessed me with. Be the vision of intuition and coming in expeditions and look at me in my mental. You coming in so suspenseful, mediocre life. What the fuck is that shit? Nigga, I wanna live and love and learn, bitch, and come in and earn, bitch, and go and deserve shit, and baby, take you with some Chris, a bottle of wine and Sierra Mist. Looking at me and I look at you, and we just got a flow of grass, and then we just talking through, and we walking through the park, and it's a dark night. Looking at the starlights in the moonlight, thinking all the soldiers I lost in this fight. But you just keep my mind right, keep it so enticed, speak poetic justice to me each and every night. Keep my mind calm, keep my ground hard, and I shine hard. This is for you, so baby, go and shine, star. Looking at the places, debating and what we gon' do with it, nigga. We not basically going to Paris, going to Australia, and Antarctica, and this is what we doing. Everybody looking, stopping us, but man, I don't go down the wrong lane. Shit be so insane in the game that I change, epitomizing the fame. You running up in the train, I'm looking at it in lanes, and they talking, but I don't think about it. I just think about you and what you told me I can do. But it was already inside me. I had to see it, fool, cause people blinded me to where I could see in myself. But I had to go and turn into myself and get my wealth. But yes, the stealth. Thank you, God, for the wealth. The wealth is inside, it's like a glide. Baby girl, let me take you for a ride. And we come and do it and there's no reply. Cause when I'm inside of you, we so sky high. It's like a high. More than marijuana, more than the drama, more than the crime. And we're looking at the world Futurama, and I'm gonna be the president like motherfucking Obama. And I'm just coming and looking at the shooters like it's Rama. Rambo on the niggas like handle the business. Never show them fear, bitch. I'm in this shit like it's so clear here. I'm coming to roll this shit, so I still